Good morning, bestie. It's time for office time today and I woke up extra early. Grabe no, pag nanay tayo, hindi natin alam kung paano natin napapagcash ang lahat ng oras. Pero I love going outside because my office view today is nasa labas lang ng bahay with chirping birds. And I love having good natural sunlight because it wakens up our cells and gives us a good energy and good mood. And of course, I do have my breakfast na kaya ko i-prepare in a span of 3 seconds. But before that, I
Thank
receive
you,
atis na binigay ni Kuya Ron
kuya.
para kay
Pinitas mo?
Bibay. And we appreciate it because it's from
Ay,
my
talaga?
lolo's plants. So, here's the key benefits of yerba mate that I take. Number one, it helps me fast like a pro. It's packed with nutrients and antioxidants, and it provides steady energy without jitters. And of course, bestie, it helps weight management and boosts our metabolism. And incorporating yerba mate in your daily routine can enhance your mental clarity and focus. Kaya work na ako, bestie, and I will reply to your messages and pack your orders and enjoy today.